Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifah Nurin Hasha binti Said Zulmurin. My matrix number is 2019298684 and my group is M3 CS110 I'm going to present to you my individual assignment CSC301 Visual Programming. So, this is what I have done using a Visual Studio 2019. This is the interface for Aswan's automotive service, where it have a routine charge and non-routine charge. For routine charge, it includes oil and lube, mist, and flushes. For non-routine charge, that is parts and labor. So let's try. The user can click at the box for the routine charge and add it if they want a non-routine charge. 230 ringgit for labor 2 hour and labor that is 70 ringgit per hour. So we click at the calculate total button. In the summary, it will show to us the amount of the total that have been calculated. So 140 is from 2 ringgit 2 hour times 70 ringgit 140 parts 230 ringgit tax on part 230 ringgit times 6% equal to 13 ringgit and 80 cent. For total fees, it is the sum up from the parts and labor and the routine charge. We can also change the fore color for the summary. We can click at the file, edit fore color, red, it will change to red, blue, it will change to blue, green, and orange. So, we can see the clear button here. If we click the clear button, it will clear all the previous customer data. So, we can enter the next amount for calculate. Calculate total, and it will show to us the amount. In the parts and labor, the user must only enter an integer, that is a positive number. So if they enter a negative number, it will show the information that say please enter an integer number. So clear button, edit it, calculate total, clear, and exit button for us to exit this interface. So let's see the coding. This is the code that I use. I'm using a function, oil loop charge, flush charge, mist charge, other charge is represent the parts and labor, selection, that is have selection in this. So for button calculate total, this is where we calculate every total. Button clear, and total strip box, I'm using it for the file, menu for change the fore color. This is the coding, and button exit only use this code. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you very much